Excuse me. Yeah. Oh. Unfortunate, but oh well. Ah. Really bubbly there. This will be my last. Dear Mina, in the dimming light of how do I burp a lot? I'm just really gassy. And I eat a lot, so... And I drink a lot of what I want. 2D, like, or like top down like this, then... Either Link to the Past or Link Between Worlds are my two. I think that was a post eating an entire chip bag burp. I got my Pepsi Zero Sugar. I got it's funny, I got Pepsi Zero Sugar. Die! There we go. Thank you. So I guess you do have to go the direction I went last time. Which is just to the grasslands. One second. What? Okay, that's a trinket, probably. Decrying the towers. Okay. Yeah, sorta. Okay. Gosh, I'm not feeling well after looking.
You can choose to play with friends or alone in a brand new single player mode.
Where am I? Oh, stop soon. But anyway. There you go, there's a...
Well, now it's time to step deeper into the mysterious, unset.
Some guys leave it to luck. Are ready to bleed, bearer.
Go back to left and find out what this is all about.
They all have different costumes. Let me watch this again.
Sire.
One moment. This man entered the Mist Ruins without the king's permission. He must be punished, lest it
Breaking
set
the
a
sound
bad
barrier with that
precedent.
one.
This is unnecessary in the pursuit of power. They would be giving their lives for the kingdom of Huther.
He's back! Elliot's back!
Cool.
Welcome home, Elliot!
Thank you.
We missed you.
It's about, so glad you found it. So in the demo you had the fairy companion. Magicite can grant various effects to weapons. Oh well. Thanks a lot. I thought I was up a creek getting stuck in here.
Count on me to show you a front row view of the
Oh my god.
You've become so much more. Stop.
Yeah, I gotta do core, honestly. Because I can just carry over the save file. Oh, 6-7, of course. The Near Alliance raids, but it kind of worked. Yeah, to recover lost sparks. I'm mixed on this. Oh. Maybe I can help you get out of here?
Find your flow, and you'll be able to feel the rhythm.
We can still play as me, right?
Or even handles.
The first part of Ninjala 2, The Uncharted Planet, launches exclusively on the Nintendo
It's
Switch
Ninjala, not
system
Ninjala?
next spring.
I always thought it was Ninjala.
The DK Challenge barrels in. Powerful monsters in this single-player action RPG adventure. From a fighter's...
So let's see you deal with this. You couldn't jump to save your life, kid, so I guess this is goodbye. Strong. Strong, yes. We must warn the boss. Wow, everything sounds so dire and serious. Really, Mallow? The kids are okay. Excuse me. in the main story. When he's good and ready. I just wait, will you? Okay. You can turn around now. She says she's been. Well, speak up. A wedding ceremony would make a girl, suppose. Could it have been the smithy who attacked our kingdom? Before I.
Where, like, maybe one of us can stay here and make calls, and then other people.
Excuse me?
Which one you
Yeah,
say?
Watch out for the X's on the ground. That's your cactus.
Come here. Come here.
Excuse me. Oh, perfect.
Reminder, don't be discouraged if you aren't here because
2 chickens, 2 eggs. Put them on A.
2 chickens. There. No, come on. Oh my god, girl.
Okay, put the thing down. Put it down somewhere. Use it. Oh my god, just drop it. Just drop it. I'll use it.
There's one of my own.
nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
I have an oven, but it doesn't actually work.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Give us a free rack. We should probably get the rack.
I need you to watch where you're going. Dynamite and a snake.
Okay.
There's a snail and oil there.
Snail, 2 oils, and dynamite.
I just need 1 dynamite on B.
I'm coming.
I need 5 oils.
I got 2 here.
Heard.
I gotta.
Excuse me, gosh. Oops, sorry. No wonder I'm so important. Alright, everyone won the whole time. You there. Great song. Alright, and then the boo flag is on Yoster Isle. God damn it, really? I used to make a lot of statues of King Nimbus. But now all I get are orders for... Now it's my turn. That my mom and dad are here. Hey. Alright. Let's go. Fine. Let's go back to the king and queen. Technically the strongest attack in the game. Okay. Like the old elements. The old elements that are still missing.
Through time?
Maybe.
Elliot? Can you hear me? You'll excuse the belated introduction, but I am Diona, and this is Kalatesia.
No way through now.
You could climb.
Yeah. Move it.
That's okay. Never mind. So the.
Now what might be? What?
This magic is powerful and cold.
Thank you. I just came to draw some water.
I've already been doing that.
Speed. Hey, not bad.
I'm going to practice and practice it.
Don't
Okay.
really understand.
Huge success.
And. Yes. I'm gonna have to swap it. I should do that desert.
Okay.
Quicker stabs and longer range.
There.
Looking for the moon mirror. If you're wondering how I know that. Excuse me.
Was there a cat just now? Meow. Yay! Some new magic site!
Okay, lots of duplicates.
It's through the cave on the snowfield.
Oh my gosh.
You found it first?
Wonder if there's anything.
No, I think it's a bit more complicated than that. I should speak to them.
Holy shit. Okay.
You're an adventurer, aren't you?
Okay. Hello. Excuse me, gosh.
First, then find a way to use them. Return them to the world. That is how my institute works.
Inflicting pain on another creature solely for your own benefit.
Of new gadgets that they added yesterday. Thank you. Since I don't think there's enough people around yet, that's what the are you serious? You reload. Oh my god, it's cool. Excuse me. That was bubbly.
You don't say. Old General Pepper himself hailing our humble band of mercenaries? This ought to be good. Let's see what he has to say for himself.
A new intelligence report is a
Boss time.
Activate all range mode.
The day's not over yet.
Oh my gosh.
Our military base on
A new intelligence report is available in the world viewer.
to take a less optimal route to
We're
Excuse me.
professionals. We know better than to scratch the paint. Talk to me, team.
I hate to say it, but it looks like we'll have to confront the bolster.
Tell us, Slippy, anything we need to worry about?
Under the surface, but my sensors. Thanks, Fox.
Pay attention, Slippy.
We're entering Corneria City now.
Andra sure has trashed the place.
Everybody, stay alert.
Yep, nobody burps like me.
Stats. If you click the viewer icon. Okay. Yay. Yo, first burp of the stream. Yo! Let's go!
Hell yeah.
Really big risk, Fox. Paid off.
You actually showed some.
Excuse me. For levels?
It's on multiple hotspots. The most worrying intel comes from Solar.
Speak in my language, General. Let me see what we can do.
I'm hacking the enemy now. If we could intercept this train, we'd cut off the flow of weapons.
Inspired. The enemy is scrambling to salvage what they can of their operations.
Make them main characters. Okay. This should have had like at least 6. Damn it.
Starwolf completed the objective.
We'll do a couple more matches of this, and then I might switch to a different game. And keep streaming a bit.
Get
Oh, got it.
Starwolf completed the objective.
Oh, that took a while.
Starwolf completed the
Remember, you can post any clips you want of me on your YouTube shorts if you want. I'll have to go with Joker. She's so hot. Yeah, it's a mod. Sorry. Where's the music? See, there you go. There's one without any drink. That was Amy, not me. To be fatal or permanent. Super often. There, okay. Oh, come on. Come Do a funny burp? Let's see. I could probably do one, but it wouldn't be funny. That's the best I can do without drinking anything.